Alright, so guys, we have our table 1 to 5. That's our class boundary or our class interval. So we have it 1 to 5, then 46 to 50. Then our frequency, the sum of our frequency is regarded as n, and that we have a sum of 60. Then we have our mid mark or midpoint. That is when we add the class boundary and you divide them by 2, you have your class, you have your midpoint. Then we have the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency, you repeat the first frequency and you keep on adding the corresponding values of each class boundary. That is 3 plus 6, that's 9. 9 plus 7, that's 16. 16 plus 9, that's 25. So like that. And you notice that the sum of the frequency we also build the same as the last cumulative frequency. That's also 60. Then our formula is given as L1 plus n over 2 minus CFB over FMP times I, where CFB is the cumulative frequency before the median class. So you notice that when you divide n by 2, that's the sum n by 2 will give us 30, and 30 is not the median, but rather it is the median position or the median class. So you go back to the cumulative frequency and you check and you observe that the number that is up to 30, that is more than 30, should be the first number that is more than 30 is our median class. Do you understand? That's, you notice 3, 9, 16, 25 and 36. So 36 is therefore our median class, and we have the frequency of our median class, that's FMP, to be 11. We have the lower class boundary or the real limit is 21 plus 20 divided by 2, or you subtract 0.5 from 21, so you have it to be 20.5, and that is what, that is L1. Then CFB is the cumulative frequency before the median class. So the cumulative frequency, the median class itself is 23, but the cumulative frequency before the median class is what, is 25. But don't forget n over 2 is 30, so we have all our parameters. So 20.5 plus 30 minus 25 divided by 11, so we arrive at our final answer as 20.954. And of course there are other methods you can use in solving this, but this is the available method for now. And for the sake of CBT exam, you notice that the median position lies between 21 to 25. Therefore, assuming you are not to use formula, you could easily guess where your median would fall. You see, our final answer is 20.954, which is approximately what, 21. So that is it. So let's take another question. So questions like this, we have a repeated value of 8. We have 8, how many times? That's 5 times. Then the number before the repeated value is 3, 4, 6, 7, and they are 4 in number, so that's NB. Then the other one, the number after it, they are 5 in number, that's from 9, 11, 12, 13, 13. Then our L1 is the lower class boundary of the repeated value itself. When you take 0.5 from 8, you have 7.5. Then the sum of all the number, that's 14. When you divide everything by 2 and you insert your answer, you have your median to be 8.1. And as a matter of fact, when you, without using the formula again, you can easily determine your midpoint. So from this point now, once the median is 8 without using formula, so for the sake of CBT, you might not necessarily need the formula to solve this, so you can easily guess, but your median will not be exact 8. It's either it is less than 8 or it is slightly greater than 8.